Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about confidence intervals. A confidence interval is basically saying that it's a range of numbers to which you think that your data will fall in, or usually, in our case, the mean. All right? So remember, the mean is represented by this symbol, which is mu. So that's mean. It looks, as I said in class, it looks like a funny shaped U. All right? So for instance, let's say I give you, we have a test in here. Quiz coming up, and let's say the mean is 90. All right, and then I tell you that the margin of error, or the standard deviation, so we'll say margin of error is equal to plus or minus 3. So that basically means that we're going to have either values or test grades that are 3 points higher than the mean, and then grades are 3 points lower than the mean. So basically all that simply means is we're going to subtract 3 from 90, and we're going to add 3 to 90. So we're going to wind up with 87, and that's going to be less than the mean, which is going to be less than 93. All right, so you see how 90 minus 3 is 87, and 90 plus 3 is 93. All right. And so this is basically where the bulk of our data will show up, is between 87 and 93. So in class, this would be most of the people in the class made between 87 and 93. All right, so let's stop. We'll call that example number 1. All right, so then we move on to example number 2. All right, so example number 2, this time we're not going to do averages. Let's say we say this, the size of something, let's say the size of a baseball, let's just say it's 4.21 centimeters. All right. Again, I'm just picking just any round object. We'll say that way. That's the diameter. All right. So then the margin of error, meaning that other baseballs, because no two baseballs may exactly alike, so there's going to be some little variation. We're going to say is plus or minus 0.13 centimeters, okay? So that basically means just like we did before, we're going to subtract 0.13, and then we're going to add 0.13, all right? So 4.21 minus 0.13 is going to be 4.08, which is less than the mean, which is less than 4.21 plus 0.13 is going to be 4.34. All right. So basically, if I have a collection of baseballs or any round objects, it should fall between 4.08 centimeters and 4.34 centimeters. All right. So again, this will be on your quiz and the test, where you'll just basically have to find the confidence interval. So this is all titled confidence intervals. All right, let me clean that up a little better. So I hope you enjoyed this video lesson. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me or ask me in class. Thanks, and I'll talk to you in the next one.